ground today. You have to use your plie leg, very powerful, push it up, jump, okay? Front leg cannot drop. Right now my front leg is this high, I keep this high, and when I jump, I even go higher. Go, up, jump. And a little problem in there is timing. Okay, look how I jump, okay? So look my arm. When my arm go down, I'm not move, I'm not jump yet. Okay, don't jump so early. So the moment your arm go down, make your plie even deeper. Okay, when your arm go front, that is the moment jump up and then up. Clear? I need the time because the arm will help you. So when your arm down, make a deeper plie. When you do the jump, the arm go up, can give you energy go up. With your stomach pulling, with the plie push, these three things can make you go higher. Even your chin go up high. See? We have four things that can make you jump high. Chin, arm up, stomach pulling, plie push. The three things. The four things use right on the spot. That moment. Okay? And